Hey guys, it's Marissa here from Bodhrán. Today I want to look at an irregular time signature with you. If you've been through my advanced course and my lessons online, we will have done quite a bit of work in some irregular time signatures in things like 7/8 and 10/8. I've had a couple of requests from some of my students to look at some of the different irregular time signatures, so I've been working on putting some of them together and I wanted to share this one with you guys. So 15/8 is a really nice time signature to play in. That does sound really scary when you hear it for the first time. And a lot of people wonder why you would work on time signatures such as 10/8 or 15/8 or 11/8 or any of those other ones out there. Well, I agree that you're probably not going to hear tons of tunes in 15/8 if you are wanting to go down to the session and play. I am a big believer in working on a ton of different aspects of your playing to just help improve the style of playing that you're going to be using every day, whether you're playing in a session or in a band or just with some friends at home. I think the more you can learn and all the different ways that you can apply it really are going to help you overall as a player. So irregular time signatures are great for that because you can get out of the headspace of always needing to play in 4 or in 6. And then if you are ever playing a tune that has like time signatures that change in each part or each bar, you'll be able to just jump in and out of them and not think too much of it. And you'll just be a lot more flexible overall as a player. So with a time signature like 15/8, again, that sounds scary at first when you hear it, but I would never try and count to 15 in one bar on its own. You always break it down. So you're usually breaking it down into groups of 2 or 3 or 4. And the other thing with irregular time signatures is that it's going to be very much dictated by exactly what the melody is doing. So in 7/8, for example, we count in groups of 2 and 3, and it would be 1 2 1 2 1 2 3, or 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. And it's going to be very obvious which one you're going to have to play by exactly what the melody's doing, because it's going to go either one of those ways. So there's a lot of scope to play around with your tones and change your rhythm a little bit, but not as much as doing completely different grooves behind reels and jigs. You're most likely going to be playing exactly the rhythm that the melody is laid out for you. So with 15/8, we're going to have essentially a bar of 7 and a bar of 4. So we're going to count 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, so again, for counting that, it's going to be 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So you can see the units of measurements that are 2 or 4 are going to be down up or down up, and the 3s are going to be down up down. So you're going to have a double down shown in there when you're counting a group of 3. So give that a try. Let me know how you get on. Let me know if you guys want to see more about irregular time signatures. If that's something that really interests you and you want to do more of, you should check out my advanced course, my website. And yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see in the next video. Thanks for playing along.